start off with Uncle Ron's. You can see they've got Amstel there, Euro Pint. Yeah, so that's first bar, Uncle Ron's. Yeah, I'm not going to go and sit and have a pint in every one, but maybe later. Uncle Ron's first bar. Okay guys, coming upon one of the most consistent with the Euro a pint now. You might guess where this one is. Uncle Ped's. But they always got a Euro pint in there. Uncle Ped's few in today. If I can see where they've got it advertised. Hiya. There you are, guys. You can see they've got Amstel on. Always seems to be Amstel. Euro pint there. That's Uncle Ped's. Check it out, guys. Next one, guys. Anti-bells. Yeah, they've got the same beer. You can see. Zoom it up a bit. There you are, Amstel Euro Pint. Get this right now. See there. That's another place, Euro Pint. That's number 3. That bowls. Okay guys, I don't know if this one's going to qualify. Yeah, Hotel California. They've got a deal on. €2. I'm not going to hang about here too much because I've got music on. So yeah, I'm going to get that going. Okay, the next bar we've got is Foster's Bar. bENIDORM. Yeah, beer all over the place, but yeah, I've got the what we're after, the Euro Pint. That's Foster's Bar, bENIDORM.